आज के वीक के बारे में जरा बताइए।
So Fasino Kids Fashion Week, we done with the third show. The first was by Jelly Jones, the second was by Little Pocket Store, and the third one was by Pooja Wang. So it was a great show. More than 100 kids participated in the first 3 shows. The 3 shows were house full. There were good people around. So Gautam Gambhir came as a part of the special celebrity. So it was a very sheer honor to be a part of this venture. Yeah, thank you.
गौतम गंभीर जी आए तो उन्होंने क्या आपके शो के बारे में क्या अपनी राय दी?
Yes, he was very happy. In fact, he was smiling all the time. He was so interested in working as a showstopper. His daughter worked, Natasha Gambhir. She worked as a showstopper for Pooja Wang. He was very happy. Yeah, he was there in the backstage.
पहले से पब्लिक को बताना चाहिए था, but information नहीं मिली अचानक से.
But probably, sir, when a celebrity come politician like Gautam Gambhir come on the ramp on this particular venture, like which is inclined towards fashion industry, then there are lots of chances of going either this way or this way. So that's why we have to keep the secret.
And this is the personal event. Okay, this is the personal event. Our daughter will walk for us. Okay, so there is no chance to tell you first. Okay.
कितने बच्चों ने इसमें भाग लिया है?
So more than 300 kids will be participating in these 7 shows which will be conducted in whole day.
कितने एज से कितना एज तक के बच्चे?
3 साल से लेकर 14 साल तक के बच्चे.
ये पहली दफा था, ये इससे पहले भी प्रोग्राम हुआ?
इस लेवल पर जिस लेवल पर हम इसको इस बार कर रहे हैं, हाँ, इससे पहले हमने नहीं करा. बट यस, पिछले 1.5-2 सालों से वी हैव बीन कंटिन्यूअसली डूइंग शोज, वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली डूइंग वर्कशॉप्स, ग्रूमिंग क्लासेस, एंड इट हैज बीन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
सर, ये आपसे सवाल है कि क्या लग रहा है जो प्रोग्राम हुआ है, कुछ सुधार करने की और जरूरत है, इससे अच्छा बेहतर कर सकते हैं क्या नेक्स्ट ईयर?
बिल्कुल, कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं होता, हमेशा लर्निंग की जरूरत है. तो दिस इज आवर लर्निंग पार्ट, एंड बट आई होप the journey we have started, it will go rise and rise and rise.
ये दिल्ली के बच्चे थे या बाहर से भी आए थे?
This was from Delhi and NCR only.
From some kids were there, Meerut, Bulandshahr, Rajasthan, Jaipur. Some kids were there.
आने वाले दिनों में और क्या?
They are very strong planning. See, Fasino Kids Fashion Week is the only organization in India which is internationally associated with Vancouver Kids Fashion Week and Philadelphia Kids Fashion Week. Right, so we are internationally associated with USA and Canada. So if you talk about a later vision, the longer vision, yes, we are aiming to take it to international level, to take it to different countries and collaborate with them, or probably do a show in their own country by our own name. But eventually in the next season, we are strongly planning to take it to Pan India.
सर, अभी जो प्रोग्राम जो हुआ, जो बच्चे बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किए, उनके लिए कोई बेहतर प्लेटफॉर्म है क्या?
Obviously it is.
आप बताइए ना सर.
No, he is a guest.
He is our guest.
He is a guest.
तो आप प्लीज.
इसमें प्लेटफॉर्म ये है कि जैसे हम इंटरनेशनली कोलैबोरेशंस की बात करते हैं, तो इंटरनेशनली कोलैबोरेशंस है क्या? इंटरनेशनली कोलैबोरेशंस ये है कि हमारे यहाँ के बच्चे वहाँ पे जाके उनके फैशन शोज में पार्टिसिपेट करें, और वहाँ के बच्चे हमारे यहाँ पे आके फैशन शोज में पार्टिसिपेट करें. हमारे डिज़ाइनर्स जो कि यहाँ पे हमारे फैशन शोज में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, उनको भी ये चांस है कि वो अपना शोकेस, अपना टैलेंट बाहर के देशों में दिखा सकें.
दिल्ली एनसीआर में सर डेली ऐसे फैशन शो हो रहे हैं, जो बच्चे के भी हो रहे, बड़ों के भी.
So that's the only difference we talked about.
नहीं, तो लेकिन जो उनके साथ वादे किए जाते हैं वो पूरे नहीं किए जाते.
So we never commit anything. That's the best part.
This is the purely fashion show. It's not a कि
whenever you commit, there's a chance of disappointment. So we don't give our words until and unless we are not able and sure enough to fulfill our commitments. So all those kids who have participated, they were not assured of getting a work in this film industry and working for Shah Rukh Khan. They were not assured. They were not assured that they will be a model for Yash Raj or they will work with Manoj Malhotra. Nothing like that. These are kids. These are very small kids. They don't know anything about it. We're just letting them know. We're introducing this to the platform. कि एक बारी उनको अगर पता चलेगा कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है, maybe they develop their interest. है ना? अगर उनका interest develop होता है तो by the time they reaches their teenage, they can be a supermodel. So when we started our career, we were very small. Right, we started a career while we were in college. तो स्कूल तक तो हमको पता ही नहीं था कि the walk, ramp walk, fashion ऐसा कुछ होता है. But by the time our main aim, the mission is to make this platform reach every single kid, because it's just not about fashion. It's about the overall personality. Don't you think a kid walking in front of 500 people gives them a good personality boost?
Exposure also.
Exposure as well. Absolutely. It do give. It's just not about fashion. Let's not limit it to the fashion.
Self-confident. When a kid is walking in front of 500
बच्चों को सर एक साथ एक स्टेज पे उतारना, कितने दिन की तैयारी थी ये जो आज आप?
Almost 6 months, more than 6 months, और अगर सही मायने में देखा जाए तो 1 साल से भी ज़्यादा.
एक बहुत लंबा संघर्ष.
1 साल में आपके शोज और कितने होने वाले हैं?
Sir, if we are planning, क्योंकि जिस लाइन में हमें this fashion line, हमारे 2 शोज होते हैं, वन इज ऑटम विंटर एंड वन इज स्प्रिंग समर.
इसको रैम पे चलाने के लिए कुछ आप लोगों को भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है?
बिल्कुल होती है सर. किड्स आर वेरी स्मॉल. एक 2 साल के बच्चे को आप बोलो कि वो अपने हाथ से खाना खा ले, वो खाना भी नहीं खा पाएगा.
अच्छा, जैसे सर आपने बताया साल भर की मेहनत है इसके पीछे, जिन बच्चों को तैयार करना, उनको अकॉर्डिंग पार्टिसिपेट लगाना इसमें. कभी ऐसा भी थॉट आया, बिकॉज ऑफ जब भी हम कोई मिशन पे चलते हैं तो नेगेटिव भी थॉट आते हैं, पॉजिटिव भी थॉट आते हैं, कभी ऐसा नेगेटिव कोई थॉट आया जिसकी वजह से आपने ये सोचा हो कि मुझे बंद कर देना चाहिए, खत्म कर देना चाहिए?
नेगेटिव थॉट कभी आया भी है तो बच्चों को देख के निकल गया.
क्या बात है.
क्योंकि जो बच्चे हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, जो पेरेंट्स जुड़े हुए हैं, दे आर वेरी नाइस, दे आर वेरी नाइस.
सर एक लास्ट सवाल, जो भी बच्चे देख रहे हैं टीवी के माध्यम से, उन्हें आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Just don't be inclined towards what people are saying. If you really want to do something, just go for it. Try everything. You are very small. You can do wonders.
And this is the perfect age.
सर एक क्वेश्चन, बाहर के बच्चे अगर पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहे तो क्या कैसे करेंगे?
They just have to reach Fasino Faces Private Limited. That's it.
But do you charge something for something?
Yes. Do we charge? Because there's a long procedure involved. We don't conduct audition in mall. We don't conduct audition in any 2-star property. Either we do it in a school like Delhi Public School we conducted this year, or either we do it like a recognized property like Kidzania, like we did in this year as well.
How much you guys charge?
See, there are two-step process which we go for it. First is the registration process for auditions. So in that case, we charge 1,200 rupees including taxes. So once a kid is over this audition and they are selected, then we charge this amount of 3,000 rupees from every kid for the finale.
So altogether it's going to be 5,000.
No, it's 4,000.
4,000. Okay. And what are you guys providing for those amounts?
The training, the best part. The people who are training, the people who are choreographing the show, these are experts. So these are from Femina Miss India. These are from Lakme Fashion Week. So I am giving them the platform. I'm giving them those people जिनके साथ I could not work. जिसके साथ professional models could not work. Kids are working with those. तो obviously वो सीखेंगे ही. This is what the quality which we are giving, the venue which we are giving, the food which we are giving, the trophies, the felicitation, all that stuff.
And we have already collaboration with a lot of brands like Kidzania, Worlds of Wonder, Adventure Island, kinds of. So we provide the platform and we provide the discount vouchers, coupon vouchers,
and these are complimentary. These are complimentary.
These are complimentary.
So where do you get the revenue for those?
Probably we are not thinking about revenue at this point of time.
Okay. But do you have some sponsors?
Yes, we have. Yes, we do have. We do have sponsors, like we said.
We have approximately 22
the best
sponsors
part,
at the moment.
Vancouver Kids Fashion Week, Philadelphia Kids Fashion Week is one of our sponsors. Right? Click-O-Fi Moment is a photography part.
कई फैशन शो से आता तो नहीं बच्चों का ध्यान पढ़ाई की तरफ से हटे?
सर, अगर आप किसी भी एक चीज़ को ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा करते हो तो आपका ध्यान हट ही जाता है. It's just about maintaining the right balance. अगर आप एक बैलेंस मेंटेन कर सकते हो, इफ़ यू कैन स्टडी. अगर आप 2 घंटे, सर जब आप छोटे थे तो 2 घंटे पढ़ते थे, मम्मी क्रिकेट खेलने देती थी नहीं देती थी? सबको देती है. अब 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करो, आपको 1 घंटे खेलने को मिलेगा. आप फर्स्ट आओ, सेकंड आओ, थर्ड आओ, फिफ्थ आओ, सिक्स्थ आओ, आपको 2 घंटे फैशन करने के लिए मिलेंगे. माय niece is participating personally, his daughter. So she said she is a fashion queen. It's there in herself. So this is how it is.